Batmobile. Check it out. Hey, you think you can take my picture inside it? Think they'll allow us to sit in it?
No. I'm not sure if it's up.
I did it. I'm touching it.
94.3 The Shine. Deep Cuts Weekend.
Majin Buu. Look at all this. Do you guys have yokai medals here? Yokai medals? Okay. Wow. Look at all this. Let's see. There's Electrode, Cyclizer. Gonna need those. Koraidon. I'm gonna need that. There's Koraidon. I got that. Skeleturge. I already got that one at Eternal Con. Quaquaval, Masquerada. I'm gonna need those. Check it out. The Dragon Balls. Watch this. Shenron, come forth. Weird. It's like these things don't even work. Oh well. I'm just gonna take a picture of it. Let's see. Is that Goku Black Rose? Weird. He doesn't look like... Yeah. He doesn't look like what he looked like in the show. There's Goku with Super Saiyan. Trunks. Goten. Yeah, I'm gonna need a sec. Let's see. There's Cell. Got it. Naruto. Coming. Nice. Hi. I see there's Pennywise here.
Yeah.
I'm kind of a Pennywise fan.
Okay.
I saw the sequel.
Oh, is it like the sequel?
Yeah. It's Chapter 2. That was one of my favorites.
Oh, okay.
Got a lot. There's The Thing here. I'm a big fan of The Thing.
Thing's classic.
Do you think The Thing will have a sequel?
I think they've talked about it, doing another one. Whether that happens or not, I don't know. I mean, it seems like it's prime. It's there.
I just hope they do. I mean, Thing's one of the
even
best.
if they didn't go with what they did in that one, there's no telling that it wasn't something else frozen in the ground somewhere else that they could play off of that. So that's, doesn't even have to be there. It could be like another part of Antarctica or whatever.
It was COVID.
Yeah.
I mean, they did have a prequel in 2011.
Right, I saw that. It was all right. They did the best they could, I guess.
I thought it was one of my favorites.
Did you like that? Yeah.
I just hope that,
Could have been worse.
even though that creature was dead in the original, I feel like that wasn't the last we saw of it. What if those two were a bit infected? Or what if a piece of it survived and was brought to the mainland and somebody had to stop him?
Yeah, it's true.
Yeah, it's like beating up the bad guys and, well, what if that creature wasn't really evil? What if it was actually trying to find its way home? At least that's how I saw it. It's like they don't really understood it at all. Hey, how come Leatherface never takes off his mask? What's Dead or Alive?
Go inside,
Oh, Dead Alive?
Yeah.
Oh, that's a great movie. That's a Peter Jackson movie.
What's it about?
It's kind of like almost like a zombie movie in a way. It's like an infection type of movie. It's one of his earlier movies before he did Lord of the Rings. Basically, it's like almost like a lot of the dead come back to life, and he's trying to keep it covered up, but it just keeps spiraling out of control, and it keeps growing, and obviously getting bigger and bigger and bigger. It's really good. It's more like comical. It's very like tongue-in-cheek comedy and just total gore fest. Great stuff, though. Great special effects, awesome, makeup and artwork and stuff. It's just good stuff. Definitely worth checking out if you ever get it. Sometimes it's called Brain Dead, because I think it was originally released as that in Australia, but it's more commonly known here as Dead Alive.
So,
And
why
you
does...
don't remember it. We watched this movie, and I tell you guys about this all the time, and you just don't remember.
Dead Alive?
Dead Alive, yeah.
I don't remember.
With the pudding, he's got the custard, and he's eating it. Oh, it's a fine pudding. Oh, it's a custard. And he's eating it. It's got the blood in it. Oh my god, but it's so funny, like tongue in cheek, like it's a comedy. It's like blood squirting out of this lady's head, and they're at this like fancy dinner, and he's trying to dress her up like she's not like a zombie, and she's sitting there, and like stuff's like flying out of her head. And it's going in there. They're putting
So it's resulting into that?
Really?
Yeah, that's all from that movie. It's like it's a total like bloody gore fest, but it's just a comedy. It's oh my god.
Before we leave, I have to ask, how come we never see Leatherface's face?
I do not know. Because he made a mask out of people's skin.
How come they never take off his mask?
I don't know.
I guess it was too, unpredictable to comprehend.
Stop speaking. Let's go.
Hey, Dad, who's Hellraiser?
Oh, that was a whole different series.
Some needle-faced maniac?
Yeah. Deal with the devil.
Hello.
$5 each.
Oh, okay.
You have money?
No?
How are we getting in?
You said you were in the bank?
Yeah, I owed them money.
Nice. That's a lot of mangas. Hey, look, Voltron. Hey, does this thing transform into the 4 lions? No. How come we never see Voltron's new forms? Classic purple Megatron. I gotta take a pic of this. Game of Thrones. There's Galactus.
I mean, I need the box. It's not correct. It's designed. You beg the Lord to save your trouble. How you doing, boss? That's part of the system deal, right?
Yeah, I've seen Bakugan before.
Yeah, no problem.
550, 575,
Whoa. What's this?
600. I can't do that.
What kind of card is this?
That's a Digimon card, sir.
How much is it?
Price on the back.
$85 for this?
Yes, sir.
Man, if you knew about this, I'd rather get this in a comic store rather than here.
Sounds good.
That's
Sounds good.
what this is, Bob. It's a comic store.
That's pretty much what it is.
Yeah, I think about 7. Put a little spice.
I've never exactly had a Nintendo Wii on my house.
5 1/4 with the drink box. Split in the middle. Okay.
For the bowl and the
Yeah,
tray box.
fine.
Let's see.
Just can't meet me at 6.
You said 550 already.
Restroram? I already have that one. The GX kind.
Fuck it, 550.
No, 5 1/4. I wanted. You said 550.
Oh.
You said 5. That's why I said 5 1/4. 6 with this.
That's the club.
Alright, just give me a sec.
So that's like.
Here. Oh, shoot. Wow. Look at this. What kind of Guardians of the Galaxy game is this? Volume 2, huh? Not bad. Is it really animated? Spider-Man into the Spider-Verse. Black Panther. A lot of Guardians of the Galaxy stuff. Just reviewing, just getting some footage on your stuff. You got a lot of them, actually. What's this? Destroyer droid. So, how does this thing work?
That's basically,
Careful, Paul.
that's basically just what it is.
Does anything sit in it?
Nope.
Does this thing unfold or something?
This?
Yep.
Yep. This unfolds. There's figures in here.
What about this? These doors?
These have weapons in them. This is just a open area.
Okay. What kind of ship is it?
It's a droid carrier.
Droid carrier. Nice. Wow. Excuse me? What kind of venom is this? Sir?
He's talking.
Who are these?
What does it say on top?
Venomverse. Who are these two?
If I'm not mistaken, I think that's Shriek, and I forgot his name. But this is the Venomverse when you start to find out all the different Venoms throughout the multiverse. But what makes this one so cool is it's signed by Clayton Crane.
And there's
He's the guy
Venom right here.
Yep. And he's the guy
Venomverse.
that did the cover.
I guess one of them is Toxin and one of them is Carnage.
No, I don't think Toxin's in this one. I think these are actually all new characters that debut in this series.
What about Venom and Carnage? Are they in here?
I think they end up either in the later issues or they're in the earlier issues. But they might be in there.
We got this.
You think that Venom will have a sequel?
Oh, absolutely.
Because he.
Not to get like the supernatural charger. It just looks like a charger. Like, I don't know.
Land generic.
That would be cool.
No.
I've done that a few times where we get stacked in your slabs and things and all this stuff.
No, I sold my wall for my car.
So, a quick question. Do you guys have any other Digimon cards besides those?
Say again, bro?
Do you have any more Digimon cards besides those three?
No, sir. No, sir. I do not. But if you want, I'll give you a deal on it. You don't have to pay what I'm asking. I'll give you a deal. $60 right now.
Sorry, but I'd rather.
If you're interested in anything, I can work on prices. Okay, cool.
Hi.